Are you considering a professional career in 3D animation or game development? The software you choose matters more than you think. At top film and game studios, Autodesk Maya and Unreal Engine are central to major projects and productions worldwide. Maya is known for its advanced animation and character tools. It's the industry standard for bringing characters to life. In contrast, Unreal Engine revolutionized visuals with real-time rendering and ultra-realistic graphics, ideal for fast, cinematic production cycles. However, both Maya and Unreal come with steep learning curves. Maya, in particular, also has a hefty price tag. Professionals often mix software: Maya for animations, Houdini for special effects, and Blender for asset creation. They blend everything together. If you want to join big studios or blockbuster projects, learning Maya and Unreal Engine gives you a strong advantage. Consider your long-term goals and decide which tool fits your dream job and career ambitions in the industry. Remember, practical skills, a strong portfolio, and adaptability are just as valuable as mastering specific software. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.org. Thanks for watching.